here's the train ride in Colorado from, I forgot where, but here's some of the views. I'm partially done. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, Atrillionmilesaway.
What do you view, Debbie?
Just the view. It's better seeing it with your own two eyes, though. It's better seeing it with your own two eyes than through a screen. I don't care.
I actually, they're in there.
There's a lot of trees. Here's one. Well, I was gonna record this because of the river, and now we're not near the river. Those cliffs look real close, but to you they look real far. Of course, we'll start recording that when we depart from the river. It's a rock. Whatever.
What's another train?
Bad, be bad. Alright, well, rate, subscribe, comment. Tell me what your trip was
When
like.
we first got on here, I thought we were going to go on this.
Yeah, me too. But,
We're actually doing this. We're gonna...
and maybe, yeah, pretty much. And, yeah, I'll maybe post another video about it. So, thanks.